Are you ready to transform your Revolver game from basic to legendary? Because these 16 insanely well-crafted Amazon finds are more than accessories. They're a statement, a lifestyle, a revolution in carry, style, and speed. Gun culture isn't just about firepower. It's about how you carry it, how you draw it, how you grip it, and how it represents you. Whether you own a Colt Python, Taurus 856, or Smith & Wesson Model 29, your Revolver deserves more than a dusty drawer. It deserves gear that feels custom-made, because now it is. Welcome to your next level arsenal. Modern meets Western, utility meets luxury. Premium leather vertical shoulder holster handcrafted. Adjustable. Double Speedloader pouch. Feels like a Bond film. Performs like military gear. Perfect for .44 Magnum lovers who respect tradition and upgrade with purpose. Hulara leather Western gun holster. Real cowboy vibes. Handcrafted for Colt SAA, Vaquero, and Heritage models. Hammer strap, tie-down leg strap. Full grain leather. Style and security. Straight from the Wild West. Steampunk Pirate Flintlock double holster. Want your next Halloween, Comic-Con, or medieval fair outfit to stand out? 2 holsters. Retro bullets. Adjustable. For cosplay kings and fantasy fanatics. This is pure fire. Premium horizontal shoulder holster. Sleek right-hand draw. Horizontal carry. Ideal for .44 special and .45 long Colt with 2.5 barrels. Thumb brake strap keeps it secure. Unassembled, but ultra customizable. Kosibate IWB leather holster. Low profile suede leather. IWB perfection. Discreet everyday carry with comfort that lasts. Tulster RATH Kydex IWB. Ambidextrous. Kydex tough. Appendix carry ready. Sleek as a Tesla. Built like a tank. Barsony Desert Sand Ambidextrous 360 carry. 12 ways to carry. Fits 4 inches revolvers like a glove. One holster to rule them all. IWB, cross draw, your choice. Altamont Colt Python Fingergroove grips, USA made. Wood grain plus snakeskin design equals beauty and control. Precision fit, gold medallion elegance for real collectors. Black pearl grips, gloss black, polymer tough, dripping with class. Made for Colt Python and Anaconda, made for legends. White pearl grips with 2.4K gold emblem, a clean luxury look for the Revolver that means business. USA made, CNC fit, elite level craftsmanship. Handmade wood grips for Taurus M85, Thai craftsmanship, hand tool paddock wood. If you want your .38 special to feel like a work of art, this is it. Packmare gripper grip for Charter Arms Bulldog, rugged. Rubber, recoil ready, the pro's choice for comfort and tactical control. Let us know, would you go wood, pearl, or rubber? Drop your pick in the comments. Now, let's talk speed. Because in tight situations, reloading time isn't just about convenience, it's about control. J5 to 44 45th range block kit, loads 40 rounds. CNC aluminum, 2 Speedloaders included. Great for Ruger, Taurus, S and W.44S, serious range day gear. 6x44 mag bedside block kit, bedside ready. Holds 12 rounds plus 1 Speedloader for home defense setups that are sleek and secure. Speed B 7-shot 38 357 Speedloader rugged build, smooth twist release. For S and W, Ruger, Taurus, a fast draw essential. Steampunk Pirate double holster. Yes again, worth the double mention. It's that cool. Turn your next event into a cinematic memory. So whether you're walking into a gun range, riding horseback into a reenactment, or just stepping out with confidence, affiliate supported, audience approved, And oh yeah, shipping fast across the USA and worldwide. Tell us in the comments, which of these products would you trust with your favorite revolver? Like, subscribe, share. Let's make this channel the #1 home for revolver lovers on YouTube. We're not just building a channel, we're building a movement. Hashtag tactical artistry, #gun gear revolution, hashtag affiliate army. See you in the keg. Next one, where we reveal the next wave of ultra rare revolver upgrades before they're gone.